Greetings everyone and welcome back, this is Marco. Earlier this summer I went to Venezia with the Yashica FX3 Super and the three Yashica lenses I've already reviewed, the 28mm 2.8, the 50mm 1.7 and the 135mm 2.8. While on the train I loaded the 24 exposures roll of Kodak Gold 200 and I was ready to shoot. Let me show you the images I've captured that day and we'll talk about the camera a little bit more after that. Shooting with the Yashica FX3 was overall a pleasant experience. The body is small, compact and only weighs 470 grams. I was positively surprised by the light meter, which uses simple LED lights with plus or minus signs to indicate the correct exposure. No matter the lighting situation or the environment, it was always clear and easy to read. And here's a tip: when using modern 1.5 volt batteries instead of the old 1.35 volt batteries, the correct exposure is achieved when both the red plus sign and the green dot are lit together. You're welcome. Now, as always, don't just take my word for it. I've asked Andrew from Before Digital to share his thoughts about this camera as well.
The Yashica FX3 is a really useful camera for a photographer because it's a camera you can rely upon. It is what many people would call a manual camera, although it has got a meter. We have on the top the shutter speeds, but you have got an indicator of exposure in the window, which is simply a plus or a minus. So it is really up to the photographer. Yes, you can get a meter reading, or if you want to use your complete creativity, the camera will do exactly what you want it to do. However, as a photographer, you are in control. And I find that really, creative. I suppose my background in traditional photography was of cameras of this type, like the K1000, and this is similar to the K1000, except I would say it's a little bit more sophisticated in that you have an LED meter. The great thing is you can use the lenses with the contact system, which I quite enjoy using. It's an unobtrusive camera, it fits in the hand well. I like it to be a little bit more sturdy. Having said that, this has done me well and is a great camera to use.
Thank you, Andy, for sharing your knowledge and experience, and you all can find all of his links in the description box down below. Now, for as much as I had a good time shooting with this camera, I'm still not really satisfied with the lenses. Even if I was shooting between f4 and f5.6 mostly, the images still lack a little bit of detail, and there is some chromatic aberration that can be spotted here and there. I was on the fence about them even on digital, and I did say I would reserve my judgment after I used them to shot film. So my final verdict is that they are not really enough for me. On the other hand, I really like the camera. It's small, compact, reliable, easy to use, and that is all I need. And that is always for today. Don't forget to go and show some love to Andrew at Before Digital. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!